Hey, this is Giri Sabari. I'm giving a quick demo about SalesForce Admin, Apex, Flow, and LWC. Um, we are uh, creating a simple scenario, and we are going to showcase all this component, how it work together. And right now we are going into a lead object, and we're going to show you how we created custom fields under lead object and how we are configured it based on the requirement. The requirement is pretty simple. We're going to enter the phone number under the budget. See, under the budget underscore C is a custom value or custom field. We modified it as admin. You can modify it, and you see current generators underscore C means custom fields, right? And we have a day. All this are underscore C's are custom fields. We added it for demo purpose, a region and a timeline. All this we added it so that when we adding some value or entering some input, this validation happens. So here we are entering lead owner first name and last name and company information and the phone number. So we are not, this get formatted. So we're going to enter the 10 numbers, and it's not formatted in any way. So it should be US format. And we're going to enter the email ID. If it is a duplicate email ID, it will throw error. Right now, I'm entering a happy path, so it won't validate. In few minutes, I'll show you how it get validated. And again, if you look at this lead source, it's a custom. Lead health core is the custom, and region is the custom, and what kind of region we selected for region. In previous organization, one city we have a multiple region. So this is the lead owner, and we are entering all this in this lead form. Look at the number, look at the email, and look at the region. So based on this input and the validation gonna happen. So validate phone format. So that's the first validation. We are doing it. See, as soon as we saved it, look at the phone validation. The format is changed. So it's a US format. That's the requirement. And we are taking 10 numbers and then modifying it. Again, if you look at it, lead health score based on the lead status, it's getting updated. When you modify it, and yes, it's closed or qualified, then the course goes to 75. So this is the requirement, and a simple. So it throws the error. So not this one, the next one. So that's not a when you enter new one, it will throw a error. All right. So again, the company name, phone number, add the enter, save, source, region, west. Again, it's a demo purpose. So we're gonna add name, enter it, save it. So now it's when you saving a new lead, and the duplicate email ID is getting validated. So that's one. So now we are validating the duplicate email ID here, and the code is written in Apex, and we created a unit test also, so that when we are building Apex, we have to make sure all the edge cases are covered. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna open the Apex component. So the first one is code, second one is the test, and the class is the lead manager, and I'm duplicate, I'm checking it, format, phone format, I'm doing it. So there are two function I created, and I'll checking in a domain also, duplicate domain, all that. So once, yeah, that's a unit test, and I want to make sure it is tested properly. Without test, you do not want to deploy it. So I'm gonna run it, and then I'll show you how it is working in Apex. So that's a test run, right? And it executed properly. So the thumb rule is when you create a unit test, when you create Apex, create a unit test, make sure all the edge cases are covered. That's what this code is talking about. Now we're going to talk about flow, and because we just completed the admin as well as the Apex part of it, we did a unit test. Now we're going to go to the flow, how we configure the flow, and which is in a process automation based on the data you give or update, the user update, certain process automatically kicks in. So here the lead, it's qualified, right? That's the data, the user clicking it or entering it, and based on that data